Hey guys, welcome back. It's everybody's favorite channel to watch the video and then go, you thought that'd be a good idea? Alright. Today we're looking more at the D17 hydraulic pump. We're putting live hydraulics on it, that's the project. And this video is a complete reshoot of something I shot earlier this week. And not once, not twice, but throughout the whole video I kept calling the generator the governor. Governor. I don't know why, my brain doesn't know the difference. So instead of putting that out into the atmosphere and giving people material to poke fun at me with, I'm reshooting the whole thing. Without further ado, here's a look at the live hydraulic project on the D17. Well, here we have it. After 2 or 3 different designs, and 2 weekends worth of machining, I finally have a bracket that looks like it fits in the tractor the way it should. As you can remember, our original design was too tall. Second design was better, but that linkage was right about here. Thankfully, there was enough material down here that I could machine a full inch off of it, and I didn't think it would be enough, but after taking an inch off, this piece is now even with the outside of the rail instead of the inside. And these pieces, the whole thing's moved in an inch, so I think we have enough room now where I don't have complete travel on this area where the hydraulic pump goes, but I still have enough travel to use it and get the pump fit in there. So let's bolt it up to the tractor and see what happens. Alright, so here's kind of what it looks like once it's in the machine. I've just got a couple of the holes bolted up. I also have holes on it for this and these 2 threaded holes behind the sheet metal there. Can't have too many places to attach it. Anyway, this piece, so this surface, I milled a 1/2 inch off of it already, and where that surface used to be, around about here, was in here. So you can see we moved it back quite a bit. Now the hydraulic pump just clears the linkage from the governor to the carburetor, so we should be good to go there. Now I've got the generator, not governor, on its spot, and you can see I got some washers in here, so we're gonna have to bring this forward a little bit if we get this squared up. It's still just a little bit off. I think this might be a bit more than we have to, but you see what I'm going with. We can adjust this one with these spacer washers to get it lined up properly with the belt. And then back here we have to make a new mounting position for that rear hole, because all the time and effort that went into machining this one is now wasted because we changed the mounting position by 1 inch, so that hole would be out here somewhere, so we'll have to make a new one or modify that one somehow. And lastly, we have to make the arm that's going to come up from the main plate to the adjustment hole. As you can see there, things are moving along on that project nicely. I wish I could show you more of the machining process, but because I'm doing it where I work, I really don't want to film it there. So bits here and there are fine, but having the camera set up the whole time, people walk by and ask a lot of questions, and it takes a lot of time out of my days to explain 40 or 50 times what you're doing filming for YouTube. So when I have my own machines here, that's all going to change. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Glad this project's moving along, and hopefully in another week or 2 we'll have a loader on there because spring is here. See you next time.